Alam nyo ba, itong pelikula na ito, upon releasing their trailer, it garnered 28.8 million views on all social media accounts. And that's A Werewolf Boy, which was inspired from the Korean movie Last 2012. At gaganapin ni Robin Angeles and Angela Muji, which is their first ever movie. At first movie pa ng taon ni Viva Films. And upon watching the trailer, actually doon pa lang alam mo nang may chemistry at nakakakilig na. With that short period, paano pa kaya kung buong movie na pinanood mo? To tell you honestly, I haven't seen the original movie A Werewolf Boy from Korean last 2012. Kaya hindi ko siya mako-compare dito. And actually, it was just inspired lang naman. Hindi siya adaptation totally talaga. So meaning, there's a lot of tweak here na may taste ng Pinoy. So yun siya. And nakaka-curious yung story. Kasi parang may part doon na nai-inlove si girl sa isang wolf. Hindi ba? Kung titingnan natin, medyo ang imposible niya. Pero dito, posible. Uy.
Ako dun sa movie mo, 10 out of 10 yung chemistry.
Yes, a perfect.
Parang first time po namin nagawa ni Angela.
So, Angela.
Ako din po. Parang nahihiya po ako kasi parang nahihiya akong pakinggan. Pero yun po, mas gusto ko nga po yung chemistry namin sa movie na to kaysa sa previous projects kasi mas intense po for me and mas raw.
So alam niyo na, A Werewolf Boy showing in cinemas starting January 14, 2026. See you on the next highlight.